As the government looks to fast-track the divestment process, an interministerial panel met today to take a call on the contours of the government's stake sale in NTPC. But volatile market conditions could perhaps end up playing spoil sport yet again. Let's take it across to Mrinalini Krishna, who's joining us live from our New Delhi newsroom. Tell us, Mrinalini, what's really happened at that meeting and were there any decisions taken at all?
Well, Tanya, the Interministerial Group or the IMG did meet today on the issue of divestment of NTPC. Remember, the government is looking at divesting about 9.5% and hoping to garner roughly about 12,000 crore from this stake sale. The IMG did talk about the timing of the issue in particular, and there were representatives not just from Finance Ministry. Consultations were held with the representatives from the Power Ministry, from the Department of Public Enterprises, as well as the company itself. Now, what we did pick up from the NTPC chairman once he left the meeting was the fact that there were concerns that were raised on the market volatility, the kind of pressure that would put on the pricing of the issue. However, he did go ahead and say that they are willing to come to the market whenever the government decides so. Remember, the IMG will make the recommendations before the EGOM on divestment, which will take a call on the pricing as well as the route of divestment. Offer for sale, of course, is something that the Finance Ministry is being preferred, but remember, there's also a cabinet nod which is awaited for the NTPC issue. Let's listen into what the NTPC chairman had to say after he left the meeting.
Divestment issue, when it will come, you'll ask the divestment secretary. But there are certain issues which are under considerations of the government. I guess it is going to the cabinet on certain modalities which has to be done before the divestment on the consideration. The Finance Ministry says December will try and meet the target. Now we are waiting for a cabinet decision in which certain issues have been pointed out which refer to the market condition.